Captain Danny here, your humble narrator for this incredible journey in our series, Voyage to the Bottom of the Keys, or Bust. I managed to make it to this little cove here. Going to spend a couple days here, Saturday and Sunday. It's supposed to be windy, but mostly I want to avoid the heavy traffic that there is in the intercoastal through the Miami area. It makes 3 and 4 foot swells and just rolls my boat everywhere in every direction. Look at all these sailboats in here, all staying for free, enjoying the $1 million view that all those big houses and big boats you see on the side. I wonder if they don't like our sailboats out here, or they enjoy the beauty of them. Who knows? They'll never tell. Keep watching, everybody, in hopes that you can see one person realize his dreams and make them all come true, and to think that he did it with next to nothing and traveled with next to nothing. I'm sure you have dreams. Everyone does. Maybe my journey will embolden you to watch the adventure and maybe make a journey of your own.